Hi, Bob Rubart from the Oracle Technology Network here once again, still at Oracle Open World 2013 in Moscone South, about 60 feet away from the OTN Lounge. And I'm here with my old buddy, Mark Dutra. Mark is from the Oracle Enterprise Repository team. And what I want to ask you about, Mark, is with certainly cloud is nothing new, but cloud certainly adds an entirely new dimension to the idea of SOA governance. So talk to me a little bit about some of those challenges and what's going on.
Very good, Bob. Indeed, as we look at SOA governance, the idea has been around for quite a while, but now with the emergence of the cloud and mobile technology, we find that there's additional challenges that we face with governance. People are starting to build applications that not only include the things that they're building, but things that come from the cloud, things that come from mobile, et cetera. So now you're trying to juggle around an application that's a collection of stuff. Some you built, some you get from other parties.
Does mobile play a factor in this too?
Absolutely, because of the notion of API management in mobile. Again, mobile applications are now being cobbled together with a bunch of pieces from all over.
Does the fact that in the cloud we have reusable assets they're not on premise, so in terms of governing the use of those assets, how does that complicate the picture? What does Enterprise Repository do for you in terms of managing those kind of assets?
Yeah, indeed, that is the big challenge. Is you have stuff, and if it's not coming from you, what third-party things are approved to use within the organization, which ones are safe, which ones have been tested. There may be models with respect to payment for those things. So we got to juggle around, the costs associated with them, et cetera. And so indeed, there's challenges of keeping track of that stuff that you're using that's not yours. And there's a other side to that is now some of these same folks are exposing APIs and services out to other consumers. And so not only do I have the challenge of tracking the things I'm using from third parties, I also have to track the things that third parties are using from me.
There was at a recent Oracle Architect Day event at Oracle HQ, there was an audience Q&A session with a panel of cloud experts, and one of the people in the audience mentioned that based on what he'd heard during the thing, that managing a cloud environment was a lot like playing Sim City.
I hadn't heard that, but indeed, you have things kind of growing on you, and it's going to be a challenge to keep track of that. Again, SOA governance has been around for quite a while. I think that it's becoming more important than ever in the cloud environment.
With the burgeoning interest in the Internet of Things and device-to-database communication, machine-to-machine communication, what does that do to further complicate the governance situation?
Well, the simple answer is there's just more stuff, right? We're dealing with more and more stuff out there. Again, we don't own all of it. We're not necessarily empowered to maintain it or change it and that kind of thing. So again, we're moving forward in a world where we have to manage a whole bunch of different types of things that may or may not be ours.
Well, it sounds like that SOA continues to evolve and continues to get a little bit more complicated, but we've got products like Oracle Enterprise Repository to help sort of tame the beast.
Absolutely, absolutely. So as we get more and more of the stuff, let's keep track of it. Oracle Enterprise Repository is a great tool to help us gather that information and provide that visibility throughout the organization.
All right. Well, Mark, thanks for taking time to talk to me this morning.
Very good. Thank you, Bob.
This is Bob Rubart once again for the Oracle Technology Network. Stay tuned to the OTN YouTube channel for more videos from Oracle Open World 2013.